Hi, Frankie here, and this time I want to tell you about paint.net. In fact, we're going to use this excellent image editing software to remove the background of any image. To start off with, I'm going to open a file called flower.jpg. So here we have a beautiful image of a flower, and I'm going to use the magic wand to just click on this section here, and as you can see, almost the entire background has been selected. Now this has a lot to do with the fact that I've put the tolerance level to 50%, because a tolerance means that how close are the colors to the to this black primary color that I've selected. Okay, so let's say I press the delete key, most of it is gone. So now I'm just going to click, control click, control click. Pressing the control key allows me to do multiple selections, and here you go, most of the areas have gone, a little bit more here and here, and one more over here. Okay, now let me check to see that most of it is gone. Okay, just to be doubly sure, I'm just going to select one of these colors, this bright blue color, and use the paint bucket to flood the entire background. So here you can see that yes, the entire thing has gone off. Okay, so back to the magic wand. Let's remove the background blue color, and now I'm gonna save that as flower, no background. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing. When you save the flower or the image, you should choose not JPEG, because JPEG will give a white color for the invisible background, and instead of JPEG you should choose either PNG or GIF, either PNG or GIF. So I'm just going to select the PNG file type, and I'm going to save that. Okay, now how do we know whether this is an invisible GIF? Well, I'm just going to go to Microsoft Office 2007, and here I'm going to include the image into the page, but just before that I'm going to change the page color to some other color. For example, let's use this green color here. So I'm going to click on insert picture. I need to go to my desktop, type flower, that's flower. Where did I save it? Okay, flower PNG. There you go. So background's gone. Great, isn't it? Now coming back to the paint.net, what I also want to do is to put my own background of my choice behind the flower. So let's choose the sunset. Let's open the sunset image. So now I've got two images, the image of the original flower and the image of the sunset. Okay, and let's check the size, because the size of the flower, because the sizes of both images are not the same. Okay, so the size of this image is 800 by 600, no problems. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the entire image, copy, go back to the first image, and I'm going to paste the second image as a new layer. Okay, now here you can see that I've got two layers. I've got the background layer, which is actually behind this picture of the sunset, is right behind actually, and now I've got layer 2, which is this layer here. This sunset is on the top layer. So what I need to do in order to see the flower is to move layer 2 down below the background layer, and I can do that by clicking on the move layer down button. So here straight away you will see that the flower is there. Okay, now I'm also going to change the image or the canvas size of the flower image to 800 by 600, so that way I don't get any white areas here, which is the invisible canvas. Okay, there we go. So that's the entire picture. Now lastly, I'm going to save that, my final product. I'm going to save it as flower sunset. Now what file type was that? That was a JPEG, wasn't it? Nope. Let's choose a JPEG. This time it can be either a JPEG, a GIF file, or a PNG file. So I'm just going to save that, and I need to flatten the image so the two layers will merge into one image. Okay, so let's just close the software. I'll just close the window and close the next image. And now I go to this my Microsoft Word. Let's insert a picture of that flower and sunset over here. That's a JPEG file, and there we go. So that's how you can actually remove the background of an image and then insert another background behind that image that has the invisible background. I hope you understand this. If you don't, go through the video again and give it a try. Okay, thank you.